Hello students, welcome again. I'm Madam Ruhaya binti Amsari. Okay, this time we go through model pengesanan BI Percubaan SPM 2020 Maran, Pahang, Kertas 1. Kertas 1 consists of two essay writings, Section A and Section B. Section A is directed writing. Time suggested 45 minutes. Marks allocated is 35 marks. Okay, for this question for section A, let us read the question. Your school recently organized a Say No to Plastic campaign. You have decided to write a letter to your friend to share information about what had taken place. Use the notes given below to write your letter. When was the campaign held? Who officiated the campaign? Reason why the campaign was important to be carried out at your school. Contributing factors to the plastic problem. Mass consumption of plastic. Effects on the environment. Pollutes rivers and oceans. Enters food cycle. And then you are asked to provide or give one of your own ideas on this topic, the effects on the environment. And then next main idea, ways to reduce plastic use. One idea, carry or one content, carry reusable shopping bag. And then you have to provide one more of your own idea, one way to reduce plastic use. And another main idea or main content on the activities. Poster drawing competition, one, public speaking, and you are asked to give or provide your own idea on activity. Alright, so please beware. When writing the letter, you should remember, okay, to lay out the letter correctly by writing the address, the greeting, closing, and etc. Use and develop all the notes given. Give your own ideas when needed. Alright, for your letter, you will receive up to 15 marks for the format and content points, and up to 20 marks for the quality of your writing. Okay, for this directed writing, please remember 12 marks for the content and 3 marks usually allocated for the format. 20 marks usually is allocated for the quality, or let's say the language that you use when you write the essay or the directed writing. Okay, let us see now. Look back at the content point. First, contributing factors to the plastic problem, mass consumption of plastic, alright, effects on the environment. You are given 2 content points. Pollutes rivers and oceans, enters food cycle. So you must give one more. So one more, it kills animals. Okay, one main content, ways to reduce plastic use. Okay, carry reusable shopping bag. You must add your own idea. Stop in one idea. One way to reduce plastic use, you can give stop using plastic straws even in restaurants. Okay, one content for activities, you can give your own idea, okay, is ban the usage of plastic bags by the government. So when you elaborate on the ideas, make sure you just don't mention the ideas in one word like that. Okay, effects of plastic for the environment. It pollutes rivers and oceans. You just don't give one sweeping statement like that. You must provide, when you elaborate any point, make sure you give with example. All right, give example. Elaborate with, supporting ideas. Don't just give a sweeping statement. Okay, just mention that plastic pollutes rivers and oceans. How does plastic pollutes rivers and ocean? You give example. How does plastic pollutes rivers and ocean? And then enters the food cycle. How does plastic enters food cycle? You must give example. Or you have, maybe a survey, a quotation. All right, that is how you answer this kind of question. Okay, now as for the format, I show you, this is a informal letter. Okay, you are telling your friend, you are sharing information about what had taken place in your school. All right, this is a campaign held in your school. And then when was the campaign held? You must mention the date. Okay, who officiated the campaign? Okay, who came to your school and officiated the campaign? Okay, maybe the PTA, the officials came, to officiate the campaign and things like that. You must mention the person, all right? And then the reason. Okay, why the reasons why the campaign, was so important to be carried out at your school. Okay, now let us see the format of the informal letter. Okay, students, look at the format of an informal letter. One is address of the writer or the sender of the letter. All right, number 2 is the date. And then dear. Okay, dear means to whom you are going to send the letter to. All right. And then number 3, the salutation or the greeting. And then opening or the introduction of the letter. And then 5, meaning the body or main idea of the letter. So, look at the text, the ideas just now, the content, how many contents given. So, if there are 3 or 4 contents, you must, for every main content, you must write. And then please elaborate on the content points, as I mentioned just now. All right, if there are 4 content points, you must write 4 content points. If there are 5 content points, you write 4 content points. And then for each content points, you must elaborate with examples. All right, don't just give a sweeping statement. Example like, okay, contributing effects on the environment. Plastic pollutes rivers and ocean. Just one sweeping statement like that. You cannot just mention like that. You must add, give example, how does plastic pollutes rivers and oceans? And then enters food circle. How does plastic enters food circle? All right, and how does it kills animals? And then ways to reduce plastic use. The same thing. Yeah, at least you write 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, to when you elaborate on the content points. Okay, so here we have effects on the environment, ways to reduce plastic use, activities. We have 3 main ideas. For every main ideas, we have 3. For each main ideas, we have 3 small ideas lah. That means lots to elaborate on the ideas, we have 9. So altogether, it comes under 12 contents. So make sure you have all the 12 contents ideas there. Okay. So and then the layout or the format, you must have following the format lah, okay? And then the body, the salutation, the address, and then the closing or the conclusion of your letter, all right? And then signing off, ending, and last is the signature. Please remember, this is an informal letter, all right? So all together, this letter, when you write directed writing, make sure the number of words used is not less than 350 words. Okay? 350 words, not less than 350 words. Okay, so that is the for section A, directed writing. Okay, thank you.